took a different route. We weren't in the same lane. We was trying to get it, but we ain't like the same things. That's a different story. We ain't gon' get on that topic right now. Every time I puff this weed, I end up in the cloud. Can't throw in the towel, I can't throw in the towel. Damn, I smell sour. Hustling for 48 hours. I ain't had no sleep and then had time to shower. I've been up all night, I've been up all day. Adderall's got me moving good like I'm all state. I've been in all states, I just been trapping, trying to make it in all states. Baby, I ain't trying to leave Virginia, but I gotta go. Yeah, I got a bitch, I shouldn't be worrying about no hoes. Yeah, I gotta stay focused. Yeah, I gotta stay focused. R.I.P. Cousin Tone, we was just toasting.
I gotta focus, I just be thinking about leaving and ghosting. I gotta get my mind out of the ocean, I just be floating. I just be thinking about all the pain. I feel so cold, I feel so heartless. Feel like everybody